When people look at your profile on Twitter to decide whether or not they should follow you, first thing they look at, of course, is the content and whether you're putting out good content. And they'll probably notice your logo and name pretty quickly. But after that, they'll start looking at your bio and some of the other details you have there. So we'll take a quick look at how to change that. If you click the profile button at the top where we are right now, that'll pull up the page as other people see it, and also give you the link that you'll want to use if you put your Twitter address on your business card or a link on your website, that kind of thing. That's the link you'll use. But in the upper right, by your username, click that, choose Settings. You have a few options in here, but mostly you want to live in the Profile tab. So we'll click that. This is where you can upload a new picture, change the name. Now this is different than your username. In our case, they're the same, but this often would be the real name of a person behind the Twitter account. We have a few folks that work on this, so we've decided not to put a person's name there, but an example is the East Cobber newspaper near us. Their username is East Cobber, but their name in this case here is Cynthia Rozo. She's the editor and she's the one that does the tweeting. So if you can put a personal name here, that can be helpful. Location, if applicable, put it there. Web address, of course, so people can find you, check out your website. And then fill in your bio. Ours, frankly, is a little bit short. I like our little tagline, but probably could stand to say a little more about what we do and what we offer. But you do have to keep it under 160 characters, so it can be tough to fit it in there. But play with that. And don't hook up your Facebook to Twitter. And it's not that hard to post unique content on both. And in most cases, you want to anyhow, because Facebook, you can be a little more rich with the embedded images and video, and Twitter, you can't. But there's advantages both ways. So treat each one separately and use them the best way you can. And then design lets you customize other elements of your profile. If possible, make a custom background image, which you can click here to set that up. We're working on doing that, but haven't gotten there yet. But if nothing else, don't use the default little clouds that everyone has. Pick something different. I often like the darker ones just because they're different than what you see. If you have one of these other new backgrounds and a custom logo and stuff, you'll be in pretty good shape. Add a custom background image if you can, but if not, no big deal. So spend some time in here, get things cleaned up, and then just start posting good content. Thanks.